Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about BuddyBoss, and in the BuddyBoss we are specifically will talk about profile types.
Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called the wpvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you.
So if you know what is BuddyBoss and you want to categorize your users on your site, for example, uh, you have a school community or college community. So all the users on your site you want to categorize into student and teachers. So in that case we can use profile types. So how to enable profile type in the BuddyBoss? So this is my local WordPress uh, backend, and I have enabled BuddyBoss platform plugin. So go to BuddyBoss profiles and check if there is profile type tab available or not. If there is no tab available, we have to first enable the profile type. So for that, go to BuddyBoss settings, go to profiles, and here in the profile types section, just enable it and save the setting. Once you save this, you will have this more option over here. So display each member's profile type on the profile page. So I'm going to enable this. Now we haven't created any profile type. So first, so this is the option for setting default profile type. So whenever user registers on the site, you can assign the default profile type to them. But we haven't created any profile type. So for that, you can click here directly, or we have to go to BuddyBoss profiles. And now we can see the profile types section over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add two profile types. One is teachers and another one is student. We can set the permission whether we want to display this profile type in the members directory or not. So this is the members directory, site URL / members, where all the members of the site are displayed. We'll disable this setting over here. You can hide member of this type from members directory as well, and we can hide all this type of member from the search as well. So I'm not going to touch this. I want this user to be displayed in the members directory, so I have enabled this. Then this is the profile field. So we will talk about this in another video. So we can assign the profile fields based on their profile type as well. So as of now, I'm not gonna enable this. Then for this profile type, which WordPress role we want to assign. So I'm gonna say subscriber at the moment. Then we can set the different redirection page after login or after logout based on the profile type, but I'm not gonna set this. Label color we can set custom, so I'm gonna say background color students will be red. Sorry, this teachers. Now I will add, so if we go to profile types, we have this teacher profile type, and now let's add students profile type. and I want this users to display in the members directory. And here I will select blue, then text color is white. So now profile types are ready. Still it is not displaying over here. We have to assign the profile type to user. So before that we had this setting. So default profile type, I'm gonna say students. And now let's go to users, and admin can set the profile here in the extend profile. So I'm gonna say Ariana is teacher, and now this is Ariana. If I refresh this, so this is Ariana set as teacher, and all this other user set as member, which is default. But let's say I'm gonna set Margaret. Let's go to users, Margaret, and I will set this user as student. So this is Margaret set as student. And all the user type we will be able to filter from here. So if we want only teacher or if we want only student, then we have this filter available here. So this is how the profile type works. In another video, we will talk about more related to the profile type. So if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.